Part 1. How to back up and restore iPhone without iTunes. If you don't want to rely on iTunes to back up and restore your iPhone, here are 3 ways you can use to do it. Way 1. How to back up and restore iPhone via Coolmuster iOS Assistant. How to back up iPhone to iTunes or computer with one click. Step 1. Connect your iDevice to the computer and launch the software. After the program detects your phone, switch to the Super Toolkit section. Step 2. On the main interface, tap on the iTunes Backup and Restore Backup button. Step 3. Select a location to save the new backup files. You can either save them on the default iTunes backup location or any other location on your PC. To save in another location, tap the Browse icon and then hit the OK button to begin the backup process. How to restore iPhone from iTunes Backup or computer with one click. Step 1. Tap the Super Toolkit option and then click the iTunes Backup and Restore button, and then click the Restore option on this app. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, select the iDevice to restore iTunes Backup. From here, choose a backup file to restore to your phone. The file can be selected from the list and then hit the OK button. Step 3. After reading the notes on the pop-up window, tap the OK button to start restoring iTunes Backup to iDevices. Way 2. How to back up and restore iPhone with iCloud. How to back up iPhone to iCloud. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID profile at the top. Step 2. Go to the iCloud option, find iCloud Backup, and tap to enter. Step 3. Turn on the iCloud Backup switch, then tap the Backup Now button, ensuring your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. How to restore iPhone from iCloud Backup. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. If you're restoring an existing device, go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. This will prepare your iPhone for the setup process. Step 3. After the device restarts, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 4. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign into your iCloud account. Once signed in, you will see a list of available backups. Select the most recent backup or the one you want to restore. Step 5. Your iPhone will begin restoring from the selected backup. This may take some time, depending on the size of the backup and your Wi-Fi speed. Way 3. How to back up and restore iPhone via Finder. How to back up iPhone via Finder. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB cable. Step 2. Open Finder and you'll see the connected iPhone device in the sidebar. Step 3. Click on the device name, and under the Backup section, select Backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac. Step 4. Click Backup Now and wait for the backup to complete. How to restore iPhone via Finder. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB cable. Step 2. In Finder, select the iPhone device and click Restore Backup. Step 3. Choose the backup file you want to restore. Click Restore, and wait for the process to complete. Part 2. How to back up and restore iPhone with iTunes. How to back up iPhone to iTunes. Step 1. Download and install the latest version of iTunes on your Windows PC or older Mac. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable and open iTunes. Step 3. Click the device icon in the iTunes interface to access the device summary page. Step 4. In the Backup section, select Backup Now and wait for the backup to complete. How to restore iPhone from iTunes Backup. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Click the device icon to access the device summary page. Step 3. In the Backup section, click Restore Backup. Step 4. Select the desired backup file, click Restore, and wait for the restoration to complete.